Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? We're doing fantastic. Listen to a Myro update. Guys, I'm currently at the studio. We're not fully set up yet, so webcam will be back tomorrow. But oh my gosh, overall, in the next day or two, you're going to see better production videos, higher quality, better entertainment. Guys, I am so damn excited. But today, we're going to go with old classic just for today. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, Myro, I think is one of the most, if not the number one most underrated meme coin, especially for a dog coin. It is only sitting at 144 million market cap. And, you know, for me, that is extremely undervalued because we have so many coins like Dogecoin and everything else pumping super hard. And, you know, that's great. You know, it's going billions in market cap up, but people are going to want to make more money, right? Dogecoin, if you get in now, you might be able to get a 3x, okay? Maybe a 4x if things go really well. But something like Myro, guys, when I say this, hitting 5 billion market cap, which would be roughly around 40x, is extremely likely. Extremely likely, okay? Guys, this other coin, this peanut coin, came out not too long ago, just about a week and a half ago, when the squirrel died. Okay, I don't know if you know the sad story, but squirrel died. Something happened in America. People love that squirrel. They made a meme coin. Someone made a meme coin, and just within 2 weeks, it's sitting at 2 billion market cap. Do you understand this? So when things start going to the spotlight, they move fast, and it is why I think once Myro starts going to the spotlight truly, people are genuinely going to appreciate this coin. Guys, I am all in on Myro. I have personally a big bag in this coin because I do have faith in it. Now, let me break some things down from a technical analysis side because it is looking good. As you can see, for many weeks, we pretty much have this big support created roughly around 6.5 cents. Currently, right now, we are looking to be challenging this type of resistance over here. You can see on the weekly, there are multiple rejections here and here, but I still think that is not a big area to worry about. All right, I think we're going to bounce off, probably maybe sell down to 12 cents, consolidate a little bit more before we push up. The beautiful thing with Myro is we still have a lot of imbalance. So imbalance is something pretty much where there's not a lot of support and resistance, which means if price was dumping there fast, it is very likely that it's going to pump very fast up within that price range. So I believe once we kind of get past this 16-cent zone, we're going to fly high very quickly to roughly, I would say 33 cents over here, right? Because that is actually where there's a lot of resistance. Now, once we get to there, I would not be surprised if we sell off a little bit before we try to break into all-time highs. You guys know how it goes. Once Myro reaches all-time highs, there will be some kind of sell-off, not big, probably back down to 35 cents before it retests once again. Now, remember, this is just the short to medium picture. All I'm telling you, right? These little moves, they don't really matter. And the reason why I tell you this is because when we look at Myro and we look at its all-time market cap, right, we could actually see it hit pretty much 400 million, if not over 400 million. Now, it's a little bit less. It says a little bit less here, but pretty much it was like 400 million. And the thing is, you got to remember, right, that is not that much, right? It is something, but it's not that much. And the fact that Myro has proven history makes me so much more confident that we will be exploding heavily. So in terms of the bigger picture, we're going to go here, we're going to retest here, and then we're going to start pumping heavy. I think once Myro kind of hits that 40-cent zone, we will kind of hit that billion to $1.5 billion market cap kind of quick before we find our temporary tops. After this, I think this is where Myro is going to sell off a decent amount, consolidate, and before we have our nuclear explosion, right, it's going to be doing something like this. And then once it's time for altcoin season, everyone's coming in. I think Myro is going to hit $5, if not even more, because we got to look at other coins, right? When we look at other coins like Pepe, right, Look at Pepe. It is currently at 10 billion market cap. In one day, it pretty much doubled, right? So think about it. And the wave is still super early. The wave is early. We are early. No need to panic. And look how much something like Pepe's pumping. Okay? So think about it. Think how easy a coin like Myro is going to be able to pump once we are in a spotlight officially. Okay? That is why I think most meme coins are going to hit 10 to 15 billion roughly for market cap, if not higher. We're going to have the craziest altcoin season ever, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, I promise you, things are going to go nuclear.